How to get Snapchat Plus for free. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can get the Snapchat Plus for free. So let's just go ahead with the process and find out how to do it. So if you want to get the Snapchat Plus for free, once you open up the Snapchat, you can head over to your profile at the top left corner. And once you are there, you can go ahead and tap on this gear icon at the top right. And after that, go ahead and locate Snapchat Plus from your settings. Just go ahead and tap on it, and you will be finding subscribe and Snapchat Plus gifts. You can go ahead and select this option called second one, and when you go over there, you can find this option called gift receipt. So in order to get a Snapchat Plus for free, someone can give you a gift of the Snapchat Premium instead. So when you go ahead and find that gift, you will be finding the Snapchat Premium for free. So that is how you get the Snapchat Plus for free. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.